As COP26 draws to a close, we focus on how the public is going to be involved in the coming months and years. Extensive media coverage will surely help raise awareness, but as we were walking the streets of Glasgow last week, the constant message was the huge gulf between government delegations from almost 200 countries and the people they represent. We have spoken to specialists in public engagement, to think tanks, to campaigners and practitioners in the renewables industry. We collected insights from Africa, North America and Europe, and they all agree that there will be a change of emphasis. Peter McCall, who works with the Consultation Institute in Scotland, was asked to reflect on what the conference might mean locally.
I think the really interesting thing about this is it's put a spotlight on sustainability, it's put a spotlight on moving from targets to actual delivery on mitigation and adaptation around climate change. And I think that's a big change for Scotland, which has been very good at setting targets, the first in the world to pass an act setting targets for climate gas reductions, but somewhere that hasn't necessarily delivered on the actual change that we need, particularly in recent years, in order to hit those climate targets.
For the Institute, COP26 has helped justify the launch of our brand new scenarios-based training course. It's called Consultation and Engagement on the Zero Carbon Agenda, designed to simulate the challenges that local authorities will face in tackling climate change. In particular, it will focus on when engagement is required and when consultation is required. Glasgow, in the past 2 weeks, has demonstrated how difficult it will be to implement the commitments made by government and others. We will all need to help.